Hello, this is Captain Brad Young at Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, here to talk about the 203 dual console by NauticStar. As you'll notice, this boat is equipped with the 150 horsepower Yamaha, which is plenty big enough for a 20-foot boat. One thing I would like to point out about NauticStar, this one does have a lifetime hull warranty, limited, no wood construction. The other warranty is a 1 year front to back, and right now Yamaha's offering 3 years on their motors for warranty. And as we board the 203 DC, you'll notice at the front we do have a boarding ladder, which is great for when you take the boat to a beachy area where you can beach the boat, then you can release the ladder and just climb down without getting wet. Now, as you'll notice, this one comes with a big sun pad for laying out. These do come up where you can actually get to the front, and you have storage on both sides to store your items as you're underway. And standing here at the helm, you will notice that this one comes equipped with the Lowrance fish finder and GPS system. It comes with an infinity Bluetooth stereo with plenty of speakers, a nice captain's chairs with fold-up bolsters. Comes with an optional table with 2 drink cup holders. You've got storage over here. There's more storage back here for cooler items that has a drain, so it will drain out. Comes with a Bimini top and a ski pole. So this boat is perfectly equipped for those that want to go out to the island, go out to Crab Island, or just go tubing or wakeboarding. So if this boat's for you, give me a call at 850-420-1802. This is Captain Brad at MarineMax, Fort Walton Beach. Thanks.